Many individuals without high school diploma or higher education face limited job opportunities, often related to low-paying positions with little chance for advancement, which perpetuates the cycles of poverty. Community job training programs and partnerships with local businesses for apprenticeship can provide necessary skills and pathway for stable employment.
Education significantly influences earning potential, correlating to increased lifetime earning and job security. Expanding access to affordable education through scholarship and flexible online courses can empower individuals to pursue higher education, ultimately improving their economic standing.
Low levels of education are linked to higher crime rates and poor health. Education helps individuals to develop skills that reduces criminal behavior and promote better life choices. Mentorship program and social emotional learning can guide at-risk youth toward positive decisions.
The educational deficiencies of parents often lead to similar struggle for their children, perpetuating a cycle of poverty. Implementing family literacy program can enhance their parents' education while teaching them how to support their children's learning, fostering a culture of academic success across generations.
Lower education attainment correlates with reduced civic participation, which undermines demographic engagement. School-based civic education can teach the value of voting and community involvement, and service learning projects can help develop a study sense of responsibility.
Educational struggle can lead to mental health difficulty such as stress and anxiety, stemming from feelings of not enough and social isolation. Mental health resources and school, including counseling, service, and safe space for expression can reduce stigma and promote overall well-being.
A lack of educational increase reliance on social welfare program, ruining public resources and hindering economic growth due to an unskilled workforce. Investigating in workforce development that align educational program with labor market needs can create more skilled workforce, driving economic innovation.
The consequences of inadequate education extend beyond individuals to families and society, emphasizing the need for investment in educational opportunities. By addressing educational disparities, we can break the cycle of poverty, foster social cohesion, and enhance the overall quality of life for everyone.
Together, let's champion
Education for all.
Because every child
Deserve the opportunity.
To learn, grow, and thrive.